Hey guys, tech mention both the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn off or remove the sticker section on your emoji keyboard. As you can see here, this thing where it says show sticker, how do you get rid of it? How do you turn it off? I'm going to show you how you can do that. So it's going to be really simple and easy to do. On the latest iOS version, iOS 17 here, simply go into your setting of your iPhone. And once you go into your setting of your iPhone, you want to go to General and then go to Keyboard. Once you go into Keyboard here, under keyboard section, you want to ensure that you have the emoji keyboard. If you don't, you can just simply add it here. And once you have that in English as well or any other language, doesn't matter, but you need to have the emoji one. Go back here. Now scroll all the way down where it says stickers. All you need to do is simply turn this off where it says send stickers from the emoji keyboard. And then if we go back here and this time click on the emoji, as you can see here, that show sticker is gone from our keyboard and it's not there anymore. It doesn't get in the way of blocking that keyboard from seeing all our emojis. So I hope this quick little video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.